Hello, Siobhan here. Anyways, this is Folken's costume. Sorry, again, I always record at night because I kind of get more done at night. His green sleeve, it's inside out. I zigzagged and just regular stitched. And the one missing armhole he has. So, to put my arm through. Pattern I used is this one. And it's this one with no pockets. I'm of course Value Village, like $1. And it's size 38 to 40. The numbers right there. And it shows you what it comes with. Yeah, it's not that hard of a pattern. And I had used the sleeve pattern as well for the sleeve. But I added some inches, well, a lot of inches on it. Because I think when it came to shoulders right there. Well, obviously you can see right there how long you want it. I also use this pattern to make a female Shishomaru. Which is, I'll probably show, I don't know, because I gotta finish the sash. Like, all I do is put paint on it. And, yeah. So next thing I need to do on this is get the yellow and the yellow trim. And get something on the shoulder on this side. And then a collar, which is, where did I put my collar? Is right here. This is like, the fabric is, I want to say nylon, but I don't know for, it's like a, I don't know. You guys might know, but I was going to say it's like shower curtain or a curtain feel. Fancy kind anyways. Yeah. So like always, I always get my fabric at Value Village. Sheets or whatever. And of course I kinda since the bottom side's already hemmed, so it's like, say, it kinda saves me some to get it and whatnot. Like her. Yeah. And then I don't know. I guess that's about it for now anyways, yeah. So I didn't show of sewing it because you guys out there already know what to do. But yeah, I just zigzagged and regular stitching. So since this is oh yeah. What does it say? The size is a men's, by the way, so it's like pretty big, which is good. Easy to slip on, slip off. Oh, and I did his underskirt for that, so it'd be easy. Is right here. This is a quick skirt, nothing, no big deal. It's long enough for me to move, and it's not too loose, so it won't get dirty and tear, or get ripped apart by the rocks, or whatever. The whatever, gravel. So it's like my Mistress 9. I just put elastic in here and just sew it with a little opening. Had no problems for that. And I just zigzagged it. I didn't really feel like going over it, just like that. So I just left it as is. Like, it's mine. So it's like, whatever makes me comfortable in it, I guess. So yeah. So far, this is what Falcon's costume is. Alright, I guess that's it for now. Oh, didn't know I was recording. Okay, sorry, I forgot to add to that. I am gonna add a zipper halfway because so I can for an easy access to get out and into. Yeah, and plus with the sides here, it's already since hemmed. I can put my gold trim and just follow this, and then after that, just sew on the zipper. My and my the gold trim too also goes around the collar. And so yeah, that's just a little add I forgot to put onto this, to the Falcon costume. Yeah, so he has like something on the side as well, and kind of things that go right here. Like some kind of something going off. I mean, if you've seen Escaflowne, right, you know what Falcon looks like, and plus that other video I uploaded with pictures of him, so you understand. I'm kind of debating or not to also make his cape, but I'll just see what I have left in a black fabric. And plus the inside's purple. Um, yeah. So that's also I guess something to say and put into this. And now I'm gonna work on this Falcon again to put the collar on. And then I might do the gold trim after that. I either might sew it or just glue it on. Save me some thread because I'm kind of running low on black thread real fast. I didn't. It surprises me. Because on my black thread I use was for other projects, my emerald and this. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm so excited. But if I can't get this done in time, because we're just to Anime North, and if I can't get this done in time, that's okay. I might go as my Myotismon and my female Shishomaru. So no big deal. Oh, and Mistress 9, of course. But yeah, no. We'll just see what happens. So yeah, that's my last add-on, I guess, to this video. I'm excited, also nervous and scared. is is it? That's it, I guess. So wish me luck. If not, that's okay. Bye.